Hey there, my name's Jeff, Certified Professional Resume Writer and Senior Hiring Manager at ResumeGenius.com. Our website provides hundreds of free resume templates for users of all experience levels and backgrounds, and I'm going to show you how to download and fill one out. First, go to the homepage of ResumeGenius.com. Scroll down a bit and click the View Free Resume Templates button. With hundreds of free resume templates to download, it might feel a bit overwhelming to choose just one. To narrow it down, you can use the filters at the top of the page to track down templates by job, education level, file type, and more based on whatever you need. We even have templates specifically designed to be ATS friendly, so take a look at those if you're worried about applicant tracking system software. When you've narrowed down the template, click on the download icon and select your preferred file type. For this video, we'll be using Microsoft Word. But if you don't have access to Word, no worries. Stick around until the end and I'll show you how to fill out a resume template online in just a few clicks. Now that it's downloaded, let's get in there and edit it. Before you open the template file, make sure to go inside the fonts folder and install the fonts you don't already have so the template looks like it does on the website. There's an additional page at the bottom of the document that provides links to free resources for resume and cover letter writing, so check that out before deleting it. First, type in your own name and replace the contact info with your own information. You don't need a whole address these days, so just put your city and state. If this is your first time making a resume, check out our guide to writing a resume with no experience for step-by-step tips. Next, it's time to fill out your work history. Let's edit one job description and bullet point together to give you an example. To make it easy, we've added a bullet point generator to our website where you can simply type in your job title and get a bunch of example bullets. Feel free to edit and use these in your own resume because they definitely should help speed up the writing process. Under the work experience section, on this template at least, are your education and additional skills sections. You can rearrange these two sections based on what you think makes you a stronger applicant. If your degree is relevant to the job you're applying for instance, it's best to leave the education section above your skills section. But if you're switching careers and want to show off your transferable skills, put the skills section first. To fill in your education section, simply follow the format on the template you download. For your skills, I personally recommend tailoring them to what you're seeing on the job description of the job you want. You can adjust the fonts and text size, but personally I advise leaving them the way they are. Make sure you read through the entire document and check for grammar mistakes and formatting errors because such mistakes can cost you the job. Now we just need to save and download your resume. I personally recommend downloading your resume as a PDF because PDFs look the same way on every screen and when printed. Name your file your first and last name plus the word resume, for example, Jeff Scott Resume, then save it as a docx so you can edit it later as necessary. Open up your file in PDF format and make sure everything looks good, and if it does, congratulations, you've just created your very own professionally formatted resume for free and you're ready to apply for your next job. If my template walkthrough seemed a bit tiring, try out our fast and easy resume builder. Just fill in your basic details, choose a template you like, and our software provides AI-generated content suggestions for sections like your summary and work experience bullets so you don't need to waste time writing. Now you're one step closer to landing your next job. Best of luck from the Resume Genius team, and we'll see you in our next video.